The hotness of the heat is too hot.
The hotness of the heat is too hot.
Yes, no. Am I wrong?
No.
Exactly. Let me be fine today. Oh my god, I just realized I'm not with any wig. I'm not with anything. Jesus. Oh my god. See, wait. Why is the same?
Why not wearing the same? Don't try me. Don't.
Just remove your ass.
I give you content. Wait, I'll tell her to unpurge you.
Off point.
He cancelled my lecture too.
Am I in the center? I'm in the center. I think I should wear like jewelry first because I look like the mattress. I don't know whether to wear studs or hoops. Choose, please help me choose. Studs or hoops? What should I choose?
God, my sexy ass! It's so big.
I'm not even going to edit it out. I have okay. Let's just start the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Nigerian. So right now I'm getting ready for class. My class is actually by 10, and the time is 9:34. Eva also has a class, and she has not taken her bath. I'm just going to put this fan on my face because like right now the hotness of the heat is too hot.
The hotness of the heat is too hot.
Yes, no. Am I wrong?
No.
Exactly. So why are you laughing at me? It's already like 9:30. A day in my life is supposed to start in the morning, but I already have a morning routine on my channel. My morning routine is going to be linked somewhere up here. To wear my white canvas. Let me be fine today. Oh my god, I just realized I'm not with any wig. I'm not with anything. Jesus! Oh my god. See, wait.
You knew.
I didn't know. I thought I had like a wig on. I thought I was looking pretty. I started scratching my head. I was like, wait. Look forward to my next relaxed hair routine. No. This hair that is flying, looking like. Wait, are you seeing how this hair is looking? Like, look. Zero. See, this is Favor my favorite. The person that has been shouting and hasn't taken her bath today.
I'm a celebrity. Don't kill my pants.
My nails look very patchy. Look at this. This is ghetto. This is the fit. I said the fit. I'll show you the fit later. See, hi. See, Jennifer. The face of Follow the Sun. Our video is going to be next one.
Oh, hi.
It's what? Yeah, I can't turn my laptop like that if no, it's gonna fall.
Why?
I should turn my laptop. You want my laptop to fall?
Basically.
Okay. I want to make white hair.
I don't want to make black hair. So what's the opposite end of the spectrum?
Not black. But when is the same?
Why not wearing the same? Don't try me. Don't.
That is going to be here, I swear to God. So if I don't want to kneel down in front of camera.
How many hours is
In front of the 20
how many
people
hours
that are going to watch
this? It will be 2022.
Amen.
I did not pray for you.
I'm just happy I have proof. Because every time I say Jennifer is a mean person, people be like, no, it's not possible.
No, it's not possible. It's not possible. Exactly.
Jennifer, please remove your ass.
I give you content. I'm giving you content. You are opening your mouth.
Just a day in the life.
A day in the life of not Nene.
No, the University of Abuja student. Please stop calling me not Nene.
I'm not a University of Abuja student. Don't be crazy. I'm part-time.
Part-time. That noise.
Noise of what?
Sorry, Jennifer.
It's okay. I come and do it. If I don't like it, then up. You guys, I'm not swearing.
Yes.
I'm just like.
You see, this is the Follow the Sun voice. What should we hear before? It's like the natural Jennifer voice.
Task.
And I don't use voice for John.
Oh my god! You can see that one.
Okay.
Shut up, let me make this VN. Let me make this VN.
Wait. Should I just do it too?
Wait, I'll do it. Let me just make the VN.
We are late for class.
Let me just make the VN, guys. Let me just make the VN. Look at my two buns. Do I look mean? No, I look sweet.
This is sweet.
Give me the picture, guys. It's not this to use and do. I should show her because.
No, she lets you out of the class. That's just my
She wait down. Tell her I want to unpurge you.
Gotta find my way out, stuck inside this place now.
Science theater.
All the things I said.
Why is ETF so full, Jennifer? Lecture.
Exams. Okay. Part time.
Oh.
That is the middle hostel. That is the old hostel. That is the rock. That's the rock.
That's the rock.
That's the girl in the yellow shirt.
That is actually peeing there. If you have video.
It's a girl in a yellow shirt. She's trying to enter.
Oh, see the donkey.
These shoes are killing me.
Show me. So why is it when I came inside? That's why you said to play music. With or without the hat? I'm not seeing you. Some new.
Why you wearing hat? It's bright.
I'm just like my head looks rough and I'm filming the outro of the video.
It's a day in the life.
A day in the life. So did you see me at my
Yeah, did you see
at I was no. Kind of waiting for them to like stop talking
Let's go.
so that I can film my outro.
This vibe.
But they like making a lot of noise.
It's your issue.
Last video you guys saw was when I was eating, and since then I've been like spending time with my friends. I did not vlog that. I don't know what footage I got. They cancelled our lecture. That's like everything just went off point.
They cancelled my lecture too.
First, I was going to film early in the morning, but I couldn't. My phone was down. Then they cancelled our lecture. Then I didn't film the food that we're going to eat, and I didn't film anything. We ate rice and, as you saw, and burgers. But then after that, I just didn't bother filming again or vlogging again. So this comes to the end of this video. This is the night. Wow, okay. Now it's nighttime. What I do at nighttime, I'm just going to take my bath, then edit this video and try and finish editing the video today. Try and edit this video as much as I can, finish editing it tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe.
Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe.
Oh wow, okay, wow.
Yeah.
Make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell so you can get my notification every time I upload a brand new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Beat you people up.
You better subscribe for your own good.
I'll beat you up with love and kindness. Bye.
Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.